Hi, my name's Patty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a quick clean using some of my favorite cleaning products. It's my second video of Clean Week, so make sure you're subscribed and click the little bell so you get notified when I post more videos. You wouldn't want to miss any of the fun videos I have planned for Clean Week. I'm starting off by cleaning all of the dishes with my favorite dish soap, the Great Value Hand Rejuvenation and the pomegranate scent. With all the dishes we do, it's so nice to have a dish soap that's a little gentler on the hands. Next, I've got my Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleaner in Lemon and Verbena. This cleans my sink out with ease, and it does such a great job at removing all of the food buildup. This Method all-purpose spray in lime and sisal is probably one of my favorite products. I use this all over the countertops, our dining room table, Loki's high chair, and to spot clean on the hardwood. Next up in the bathroom, I've got my Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in the Spearmint scent. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the cleaning favorites video, but I do like using this cleaner on the sink and the toilet to remove dirt and to sanitize. decided to take down the Halloween clings on the bathroom mirror and to give the mirror a good clean. I'm using the Method Glass Cleaner. It does such a good job without leaving any streaks. Using my 7th generation free and clear detergent. I love that I can avoid buying multiple detergents since I can use this on our clothes and Loki's clothes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick clean using some of my favorite cleaning products, and if you have any recommendations of other cleaning products I should try, leave them down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more clean week videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!